Samsung has finally revealed the Galaxy Z TriFold, and this time it's official. After years of rumors, leaks, and endless speculation, the company has shown the world its first trifolding smartphone. The device made its first public appearance ahead of the APEC 2025 summit in South Korea, marking a big step forward in the evolution of foldable phones and Samsung's journey toward the future of mobile technology. The phone was showcased during the K-Tech event, held at the Jeongju Expo Park Air Dome. It was placed inside a glass display case, meaning no one could touch or test it yet, but it was enough to give everyone a first real look at the design. According to photos taken at the event, the Galaxy Z TriFold can switch from a small 6.5-inch phone into a large 10-inch tablet. It uses two hinges, allowing it to fold and unfold smoothly. Popular tech tipster at Universes also shared a photo confirming the phone's dual-hinge design and its sleek, futuristic look. Samsung said that this device represents years of hard work, research, and innovation. In its statement, the company explained that it wants to keep pushing new designs and technologies in the age of mobile AI to make users' lives easier and more exciting. The Galaxy Z TriFold is the latest result of that effort. Samsung also confirmed that the new TriFold phone will officially launch later this year, according to reports. The full announcement could happen within the next few days, with sales expected to start next month in selected markets, such as South Korea and China, followed by other countries soon after. This launch is not just about another foldable phone. It's a bold statement from Samsung, a message to Apple and every other tech brand out there. While Apple continues to take small, safe steps with its hardware, Samsung keeps proving that it's the true leader in mobile innovation. Apple's strength lies in its strong ecosystem, the tight connection between iPhones, iPads, Macs, and its software. But that same system often makes Apple slow to change. The company usually waits until a technology is fully developed before using it in its products. That's why, even after all these years, Apple still doesn't have a foldable iPhone. While Samsung has already reached its 7th generation of foldable devices, Samsung's willingness to take risks has paid off. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 was a huge success, even attracting some Apple users who were tired of waiting for something new. Many switched to Samsung after seeing how advanced its foldable technology had become. Now, with the Galaxy Z TriFold, Samsung is going even further. This device isn't just a phone, it's a symbol of Samsung's courage to innovate. The TriFold design shows that Samsung isn't afraid to explore ideas that others haven't even attempted yet. It proves that Samsung doesn't follow trends, it creates them. This launch also shows how deeply Samsung has established itself across different technology categories. Earlier this year, it introduced the Galaxy S25 Edge, one of the slimmest smartphones ever made. Then it launched the world's thinnest foldable phone. It also stepped into the world of extended reality with new smart glasses and headsets. Now, with the Galaxy Z TriFold, Samsung is once again expanding what's possible. It's clear that Samsung's goal is to stay ahead in shaping the future of personal technology. From smartphones to wearables and even XR devices, Samsung is setting the direction for the tech industry, while companies like Apple seem to be following from behind. The TriFold strengthens Samsung's position as the leader in hardware innovation, a brand that defines what's next rather than waiting for others to do it first. Beyond design and innovation, the Galaxy Z TriFold could change how people use their phones every day. Imagine a device that can fit in your pocket, but unfold into a tablet when you need a bigger screen for work, gaming, or watching videos. It combines the convenience of a smartphone with the power of a tablet, something users have always wanted but never had in a single device. By entering the TriFold category, Samsung isn't just creating a new gadget, it's setting a new standard for the future. The Galaxy Z TriFold proves that Samsung's focus on innovation continues to lead the smartphone market forward. As the full reveal draws closer, excitement is building quickly. The world is watching to see how Samsung presents this groundbreaking device. If the early leaks are any sign, the Galaxy Z TriFold might be one of the biggest and most important tech launches of the decade, one that changes the way we think about smartphones. Samsung has once again turned imagination into reality. The Galaxy Z TriFold isn't just another upgrade, it's the beginning of a whole new chapter in mobile technology. This time, the future doesn't just fold, it folds twice.